Hi, this is Cara Latham from MedEd News, and I'm at Digital Pharma East here in Philadelphia. And today is Mobile Day, and I'm here with Chandra, and he's going to talk a little bit about Infosys, and we're also going to talk about some of the key takeaways from the conference so far. So, hi, Chandra. You want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks, Cara. My name is Chandra. I'm a principal with the Infosys Life Sciences practice. And in my past life, before Infosys, I used to be a brand manager and then a marketing manager. Mm-hmm. So that's how it is. Like people like us in our practice, we try to strive hard to add value to our clients.
Mm-hmm. Nice. So this is the last day of Digital Pharma, and wanted to ask you what you attended some of the speakers before. What was your key takeaway from today, specifically about mobile media?
Yeah, I mean, I specifically liked the first talk of the day by Bob Allen, mm-hmm. where he spoke about two aspects, right? The uninsured combined with the digital divide, which clearly talks about the opportunity for M-Health. That's something which was striking and which clearly gives an objective way of looking at the opportunity here and then drill down. I think that's the key takeaway for me.
And can you tell me a little bit about Infosys? And I know people have been stopping by your exhibit, and you've been giving some information out. Can you share for our audience online what you were telling them and share some information about your services?
Sure. Infosys is a $6 billion company. It's a globally renowned company with around 140,000 people in 32 countries. And I mean, coming back to our basically relation to this conference, right? We have been seeing, and I want to talk about a little bit of the industry trend and see, how we are helping companies overcome and alleviate the challenges. Mm-hmm. We see a lot of movement from a blockbuster model to a personalized, customer-centric business model. Now, what we see is an important data point, which is about revenue per brand is shrinking a lot. So, marketeers earlier had different kind of money to pull in for their marketing budget, but today that is shrinking. Mm-hmm. Now what's going to happen is it's going to be more with less. Mm-hmm. Now marketers want to do more with less, and they want to engage in interactive dialogue with their customers. That's when digital falls in place nicely as a good way of reaching out to their customers. Now what we do here, we help by the way, we are working with 3 out of the top 5 pharma companies in alleviating the challenges. Now what we do is very simple. Simplify digital marketing. Mm-hmm. Because when you say digital marketing, it means the whole world. Mm-hmm. First thing is we strive in simplifying the entire concept of digital marketing. And how we do it is we help our clients, number one, improve their return on engagement. Basically when they plan a campaign, we're looking at more of understanding their customers, so we have a better way of engaging with them. So we help them improve return on engagement. Not only that, going by a simplification philosophy, right? We help them create a simple and scalable digital operations model, which is something where we leverage our digital marketing platform, and this helps the marketeers in reducing the time taken to market significantly. That's a key challenge right now, and we're helping them solve it. Not only that, we see a lot of regulations coming up where we have current and a lot of evolving regulations. Our compliance framework helps in companies being more transparent about how they handle compliance and meet with it. And the last of all, which is equally important, is reducing the cost. And we have examples where we have reduced 30% of the cost of digital operations. Mm-hmm. So this in total provides a basic summary about what we do and what we strive for every day in our life sciences practice.
What can you help your clients do when it comes to very complicated processes and other challenges they may face?
Sure. I mean, there are two things here. One is when you try to simplify it, you're trying to address it to multiple stakeholders. Mm-hmm. So we need something where all the stakeholders look at the same thing. That is why we have a digital marketing platform which helps, because today you see a lot of distributed processes where brand marketers talk to the agencies and then they go and work in silos, they come back, then there's a lot of process again which is involved in terms of testing, releasing, then measuring. Now, if you have to bring it into a more simplified manner. That is what we do with our digital marketing platform, which brings the entire concept of, right, all the way from planning up till release. We want to use it, we use the blue model here. You build, listen, understand, and engage. That kind of simplifies the entire process and improves adoption of this particular concept by not just the customers, even the brand marketers. Thank you.
Thank you. Can you tell your clients also how they can, log onto your website or give some contact information if they're interested?
Yeah, I mean, we have information available in our Infosys.com website, and obviously we have a life sciences section in our website. So if people can log in there, and we have the right information there, which will point us to what you need, and then we'll be there to help you out.